Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by locking orientation so the screen stops rotating. Open Control Center, swipe down from the top right on Face ID iPhones or up from the bottom on older models. Tap the portrait orientation lock icon. It shows a padlock with a circular arrow. Once the icon turns red, your home screen and most apps stay in portrait. If an app ignores it, make sure the app supports portrait only, and then proceed to the next checks. Next, verify why rotation still happens in some cases. You should confirm the app itself allows landscape. Video and camera apps often override locks by design. Once done, check settings display and brightness for display zoom, because zoomed layouts can change orientation behavior. If the problem persists, force quit the app and restart your iPhone to reset sensors and system services. These steps address software quirks before you dig. Finally, apply advanced fixes if rotation still misbehaves. Update iOS to the latest version because fixes for orientation bugs arrive in software updates. If updates don't help, reset all settings to return orientation-related configs to defaults without erasing content. Make sure to test the accelerometer with a compass or diagnostics app to confirm hardware issues. If the sensor fails, contact Apple support or visit a service provider. Troubleshooting tip: if the compass or calibration apps misread, a hardware repair is likely needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.